graders. Nice to see you. I hope you guys are doing well. Hopefully we'll be back in school soon so we can get our stuff done together. But until then, I'm going to show you what you need to do for your first week's assignments. So you should have already got into Google Classroom. So here is our classroom. Your classwork is going to be up here in this tab where it says classwork. Our audio for every day is here. Don't panic if you don't get day one's audio all done. We're gonna see how far we get, and if we can't get it all done, we can't get it all done in one day. So if you go to day one, here are your chapters. These are YouTube videos, okay? So you'll listen to this 11 minutes, and this one is 14 minutes. Then we have our worksheets, okay? Yours looks like this. This is exited out. You have to answer these 2 multiple choice and these true and false questions. Then your second page looks a little different. This is the only essay you have to answer on there, number 3. And then you have part of the vocab, which is here. And then you have to figure out which of the vocab words goes in these blanks. So for this vocab, I have actually posted for you the Holes vocabulary. So if you go over here where it says Holes book vocabulary, here is day one's, and it's going to come up. And these are actually the definitions for the words there. So you'll just take these definitions and fill them in right here on your paper. And then these right here are the 3 words that you're going to use to answer these 3 questions down here. Okay? Once you are done, you can take a picture of your paper with your phone, and you can send it to me at my text messaging that I gave you. Okay, 299-5265. This way, I will have your assignments and I can put them in the grade book. So, we have our audio here. Okay, day 1. And then if we go back, we have our other days here as well. So some days have more than others. Again, if you can't finish all day 8's reading, day 1's reading when you're supposed to, don't panic. Just let me know and we will work through it. I'm learning just as much as you are during this process. So please don't be afraid to ask Mrs. King questions. Don't be afraid to text me during the day. I will be working during the day, so I'll be able to answer your questions. If you need to call me using that 299-5265 number, and I will answer it. If I don't answer, I will call you right back, because my kids don't have daycare, so they are at home, but I'm still going to be working, and I am going to gladly help you. The next thing I want to show you is the Huron School District webpage. If you go to huron.k12.sd.us, this is the middle school website. And then you would go to Schools, Huron Middle School. And if you look down here, here's all the links for the grades. And if you're in exploratories, you do have homework there too. 6th grade takes you to a new Google site. So my reading is on here. So if you lose your paper that tells you what you're doing each day, it's all on here too, because don't forget, you got to do spelling. When you get your spelling done, take a picture of the pages and send them to Mrs. King too. Depending on who your math teacher is, Miss Edwards' contact information, Mrs. Whitty, Mr. Roselle's is all right there. And then if you're in Mrs. Stoddard's, right down here is hers. Social Studies, Mrs. Johns and Mr. Smalls have theirs together, so it's all right here what you need to do, labeled by day, okay? And then Science, Mr. Schmitz's is right over here, okay? And it's labeled by day. And for Miss Poole, it shows you right here what you need to do, okay? Remember, any questions, please ask, okay? We are all learning. Nobody's gonna get upset if you ask questions. I hope you guys are staying home and you're staying healthy. And I hope to see you hopefully next week. I miss you guys. Again, let me know if you need anything. Bye.